JT the Ag Guy. Today we're harvesting some more wheat out here in Nez Peterson, Idaho. Have to do a little something with my truck this morning, something a little cosmetic. Of course, I had to add an FFA flag. Because, come on. There you go. Come on. Flag. Nope. There we go. That's better. I had to throw an FFA flag on there because why not? We're going in for agriculture education, and I don't know, looks kind of nice on the old Freightliner. Yeah. Really cool. We're just surrounded by a bunch of alleys. It's really, really pretty out here. Like, the camera truly does not do this justice. But yeah. Our car driver's coming and my phone's getting low, so I'm gonna plug this in so it gets a little bit of charge on it. So we'll see you guys soon. Got the combines out there harvesting still. They're over here dumping into grain bins. This has actually been keeping us fairly slow with trucks, because I think I've taken, if I remember correctly, I've only taken one load out of this field, but mostly because that's keeping up pretty well. But yeah, there's the two beasts right there. Had a couple sickles they're changing right now, nothing major. That grain bin's keeping up pretty well, I'll say this much. That little auger, I'm impressed. 3 of us trucks are waiting, and I don't think the wheat's yielding terribly. I don't think it's as good as the stuff we were harvesting the other day, but it's not bad by any means. So I'm impressed. The little thing's keeping up pretty well. But yeah, and also too, this camera does not do any of this justice, because it is just so beautiful out here. Just, oh my gosh, look at this. Got got little canyons all around you. It's something, I'll tell you that much. That is beautiful. Let's go so sad. So I'm assuming it just has an auto level, right?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I can turn it off. See, we're at 13 degrees right now.
Yeah.
I can toggle this over to the right. Oh, whatever.
Nice. Holy cow.
That's pretty steep.
Holy cow.
Here we got time to turn.
Okay, perfect.
I'll show you what it's like leveling over on this.
Holy cow. Oh my gosh. This is really cool. This is insane.
We're still level. Yeah, this is about max level.
Right.
23.
This is impressive. Holy cow. Oh wow, that is, I didn't realize how deep that was. I thought it was, oh, it's a little canyon. No, that's,
That one actually is called Little Canyon.
oh, is it?
Yeah, and then the one that we were over by this morning is called Big Canyon.
That was called Big Canyon? And this one's Little Canyon? I think they gotta switch the names around. Well, I don't know why, guys, but this part of the video, the audio cut out. I don't know why. I don't know what caused it to happen. It just did. But for a little bit of reference, because this is kind of an important part of the video, the truck I just was driving was one of their newer Peterbilt trucks, which was a super nice truck, super cool truck. Had a digital dash. It was really nice in there. AC was great. It was a great truck. The one thing with it that was kind of interesting driving it is a manual. Oh my gosh, I can't talk doing this. And I don't know, it was just interesting driving a manual because most of the time I've driven truck, the whole time I've driven truck for both these guys and the other farm I work for, I've driven a manual. So it was a little interesting driving an automatic. Personal preference, I like driving a manual, especially an older truck that has a manual because, well, I just like to feel like I'm the snowman from Smokey and the Bandit or the rubber duck from Convoy. But it was super fun. I liked driving the truck. It was good. Anyways, these guys are going to get this truck loaded, and I'm not quite sure what the plan is. As you would have seen, I was driving back from the elevator, and my boss texted me, and I didn't check my phone, and I met these guys on the dirt road, so I had to get turned around and get it brought over here. Alrighty, we got back to the truck. We're gonna take this sucker home. She's full, but yeah, we're gonna take her home.